Yeah. I don't know how far I got left. I don't know if I'm making it back. Sun on my neck, blood in my shoes. Mine won't shut up, so I guess I'm facing the truth. I'm walking through the desert with my shadow looking crooked. Every step is like a page from a book I never finished. Sun beating down, got my tongue feeling wicked, like the words I never said finally crawled up with a sickness. I've been running from the mirror, now the mirror is the sky. Ain't no walls, ain't no doors, ain't no place for me to hide. Just a trail of bad decisions, dragging right behind, like the devil tied a rope to every moment in my life. I remember being young, I remember being hungry, I remember thinking pain was just the way that people love me. I remember getting cold when the house got ugly. Then I grew into a man who pushed away the ones who hugged me. Ain't it funny how the hurt turn a heart into a weapon? Now you swear you learned a lesson and you bleed on every blessing. I was begging for acceptance, but I dressed it up as anger. Now I'm out here talking to the sun like it's a stranger. And I keep walking, walking, feet burning, so talking. Ain't no water, ain't no savior, just a ghost of my behavior. And I keep falling, crawling, hear my old life calling. If I die before I make it, tell the truth, yeah. I see faces in the heat waves, people that I failed. Every promise that I broke, got a coffin and a nail. Every time I said I'm good when I knew I wasn't well. Every secret that I buried found a way to leave a trail. I blamed everybody else cause the truth was too heavy. Had a chip on both shoulders and my hands wasn't steady. I was ready for a war, even when nobody pressed me. Turned love into a courtroom, made the whole world testify against me. Damn, what a way to see it clear, when your throat is full of dust and there's nobody to hear. When the pride finally dies and the fear disappears, and the man you pretended to be ain't standing near. I can hear my mama crying, hear my old friends laughing, hear the tires on the road from the life I let past me. Hear the kid I used to be asking what happened. I don't answer, I just stumble through the sand with my back. And I keep walking, walking, feet burning, so talking. Ain't no water, ain't no savior, just a ghost of my behavior. And I keep falling, crawling, hear my old life calling. If I die before I make it, tell the truth, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna make it, and maybe that's the payment for the years I spent running from the truth. In the basement I had chances, I erased them. Had hands out, I replaced them with excuses I could stand on till the ground beneath me caved in. Now the vultures in the distance look familiar when they circle, like the people I abandoned when they try to break my curses. Every step is a confession, every breath is like a sermon. Every grain of sand is whisperings to fight, even worth it. But maybe I ain't dead yet. Maybe this is where the old me gets left. Maybe every scar carved deep in my chest was a map, not a mark of regret. So I look up at the sun with my knees in the dirt, screaming I know I did wrong, but I'm still here hurt. And if heaven got a gate, I ain't asking to go first. I just need one drop of mercy in a world this cursed. I was wrong, I was lost, I was ice, I was lost, I was ice, I was frost, I was ice, I was frost, I was fire, I was smoke, I was blood, I was smoke, I was chains, I was broke, I was chains, I was broke, I was pride, I was shame, I was poison in my veins, I was screaming through the pain, but I never knew my name. And I keep walking, walking, feet burning, so talking. Ain't no water, ain't no savior, just a ghost of my behavior. And I keep falling, crawling, hear my old life calling. If I die before I make it, tell the truth, yeah. If they find me out here, I didn't disappear. I finally stopped running, long enough to find myself.